What if I told you that you could build a system that creates daily content for a business, without recording anything, without editing a single clip, and without even logging in to their social media? And what if that exact system could be sold to small business owners for monthly recurring income? Today, I'm going to show you the daily content automation you can sell on autopilot. And yes, it works 100% automatically. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the videos that can literally change the way you make money online. Now let's jump straight into this, because this is one of the most profitable automations you can build right now. Here's the truth that most people don't want to admit. Small business owners know they need to post every day. They know content brings customers. They know their competitors are showing up online. But they don't have time. They're running a restaurant or a cleaning company or a beauty studio or a repair shop. They're trying to keep the lights on and manage everything at once. And content becomes the last priority. This is where you come in. Not as a social media manager who has to edit videos manually, but as the person who sells them a content automation system that posts for them every single day. Let me explain how powerful this is. Imagine a local gym owner. He's paying $200 a month for someone to create 3 posts per week, and half the time, the posts arrive late. Now imagine you show him a system that posts 7 times a week, automatically, with short videos, captions, hooks, and even an AI avatar introducing the topic. He doesn't have to film anything. He doesn't have to talk to a camera. He doesn't have to approve scripts. It just runs. Now ask yourself, how much is that worth to him? For most small businesses, this is easily worth $100, $200, $300 per month. Some will pay even more because you're solving their biggest pain point: time. So here's the core idea. You build one automation, just one. And that automation takes a piece of viral content, turns it into a short video with an AI voice, an AI avatar, captions, background music, and posts it directly on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. You're not posting. The client isn't posting. The system is posting. People always ask, how do I explain this to a business owner? Keep it simple. Tell them you offer daily content without filming, without editing, and without hiring a social media manager. Most business owners don't care about the tech behind it. They care about consistency and visibility. Let me give you a simple example of how you could package this as a service. You could offer a starter plan that posts 3 videos per week for $97 per month. Then a standard plan with 5 videos per week for $197. And a premium plan with daily videos for $297. Those are extremely competitive prices, and you only build the automation once. After that, the system runs on its own. Now let's talk about how you find content to turn into videos. The easiest strategy is to use viral content from platforms like X, YouTube, and Instagram. Let's say a software company launches a new AI tool and it goes viral. The automation takes that video, extracts the core idea, writes a short script, creates a voiceover, generates an avatar, and builds a short vertical video that looks native and professional. Think about how huge that is. You can create content in any niche: fitness, marketing, food, real estate, productivity, fashion, AI news, gadgets, home cleaning hacks, pet care. Every niche has viral content every single day. And every small business needs content every single day. The best part is that you don't need to reinvent anything. You only need to customize the style. For example, if you're working with a barbershop, the avatar can be a young man speaking confidently about style tips. For a bakery, the avatar can be a friendly woman sharing quick insights. For a tech business, the avatar can look clean, modern, and futuristic. The core automation stays the same. What changes is the avatar, the color palette, and the type of content you choose to talk about. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Small business owners often don't know what to post. They struggle with ideas. That's why the Idea Scraper automation is so powerful. It runs every morning, grabs new viral content from specific accounts, and fills your content calendar automatically. So even your ideas are not coming from you. They're coming from the automation. When you combine these three pieces together, daily content creation, automatic posting, and automatic idea collection, you have a system that is not only valuable, but irresistible. It makes you look like you're working around the clock, even when you're sleeping. And it instantly puts you in a higher category than most freelancers or content creators who do everything manually. Let's talk about competition for a second. People always worry about being replaced by AI. But the reality is the opposite. AI doesn't replace you. It replaces tasks. And if you're the person who controls the system, you become the one offering the solution. While most people are afraid of automations, you're the one selling them. That's where the money is. And here's another thing you need to understand. A lot of social media managers charge a lot, but deliver slow. And many small businesses don't want to hire someone full-time to manage content. They want a simple solution that works. You're bringing them the simplicity they want, with the consistency they need. Now imagine this. You set up the automation one time. The business owner pays you every month. The system posts daily. You don't touch anything. And you can sell the same automation to 10, 20, or 50 different clients. Nothing changes except the avatar and the style. That means you're building scalable income. Not hourly work, not freelance overload. You're building a digital product disguised as a service. To make this even more practical, here's a simple way to pitch it. Tell the business owner, I help small businesses stay visible online with a fully automated content system that posts for you every day. You don't need to record anything. You don't need to edit anything. You don't need to write scripts. And you don't need to hire a social media team. It's hands-off and consistent. That's it. No jargon, no technical details, just benefits. And if you're wondering how to get your first client, start by picking one niche: fitness, real estate, beauty, pets, home services, restaurants. Then send 5 simple messages per day offering a demo video. When they see the avatar talking, the captions, the clean editing, and the daily consistency, they immediately understand the value. Now, before we wrap up, I put together a complete step-by-step guide that walks you through how to build your first automation product, price it correctly, and publish it as a service you can sell. You'll find it in the pinned comment right below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours trying to figure everything out alone. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment telling me which type of business you want to sell automations to. Thanks so much for watching, and let's go make some profit.